Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi, Chapter 11, Patku Ki Sooj, textbook solutions and meanings in English. We are going to see. Let's get into the chapter now. Patku Ki Sooj, meaning is Patku is educated person, Sooj is sense. So, sense of a educated person. एक पटकू बड़े तेज थे तर्कशास्त्र पढ़ते थे. So meaning is a scholar or educated person was very fast. He studied Tarkshastra, that is a logical reading. जहाँ न कोई बात वहाँ भी नई बात करते थे. So when there was nothing happening, he used to create new things. एक रोज वे पढ़े फिक्र में समझ नहीं कुछ पाए. So one day he could not understand what happened. So fikra is he is concerned about something. So we'll see. बैल घूमता है कोल्हू में कैसे बिना चलाए. So he's seeing the bull. So how does the oil crusher? So how does the bull roam without running into the crusher? So he's seeing the bull which is roaming around the crusher. So he's worrying and concerned about that. So कई दिनों तक रहे सोचते मालिक बड़ा गजब है. So he was thinking this for many years. He thought that the owner is very clever. So सिक्का बैल को रखा इसने निश्चय कोई टब है. So he is thinking that the Malik is owner. So he is thinking that the owner has taught the bull something for sure. So niश्चय is sure. So he is thinking that the owner has taught the bull something. So this is Kolhu. This is the crusher. Here the bull roams around the crusher so that it prepares oil. So we'll see. आखिर एक रोज मालिक से पूछा उसने ऐसे अजीब बिना देखे लेते तुम ज्ञान वेद यह कैसे. So he's thinking that after all from a owner. So he's asking the owner, Azi, without seeing, how would you know the difference? So how do you get the knowledge of knowledge without seeing? कोल्हू का यह बेल तुम्हारा चलता है अड़ता है रखता है घूमता खड़ा हो या पागुर करता है. So does this bull of the crusher move or it roams or it stops or it stands or it is just chewing. So he's asking the owner whether the bull is moving or stopping or it is roaming or it is standing or it is just chewing. मालिक ने यह कहा अजी इसमें यह बात बड़ी है. So the owner is telling what is the big thing in this, what is the big deal. नहीं देखते क्या गर्दन में घंटी एक पड़ी है. So don't you see that there is a bell in the neck. Gartan is neck, ganti is bell. So he's saying the patku that there is a bell. Don't you see there is a bell in the neck. जब तक यह बजती रहती है मैं ना फिक्र करता हूँ. So he's saying as long as the bell is ringing, I am not worried about or I am not concerned about that. हाँ जब बजती नहीं तोड़कर तनिक पूंछ धरता हूँ. So if yes, when it is not ringing, I used to drag the tail. कहाँ पटकू ने सुनकर. So after listening to this, तुम रहे सदा के कोरो. So he's asking the Malik, the owner. So बेवकूफ fool, मंतिक की बातें समझ सकोगे तोड़े. So will be so he's asking don't you understand? So he's asking, don't you understand? Agar किसी दिन बैल तुम्हारा सोच समझ अट गए. So he's telling that if someday the bell, someday the bull stops, चले नहीं, if it does not walk, खड़ा खड़ा गर्दन को खूब हिलाए. So he's just stands up and moving his neck alone. So he's asking this question to the Malik. घंटी टून टून खूब बजे थी, तुम ना पास आओगे. So you will not go near it, thinking that you are hearing the sound of the bell. मगर बूंद भर तेल साज तक भी क्या तुम पाओगे. So you will not be getting even a drop of oil. So if that bull was just moving his head or neck. Malik thoda hansa aur bola ki patku jao. So he's saying, he's laughing and saying to Patku, सीखा है यह ज्ञान जहाँ पर वही इसे फैलेंगे. So he's asking, where did you get this knowledge? So spread it right there. So wherever you get this where did so you spread this knowledge wherever you got. So यहाँ सभी कुछ ठीक ठाक है. So he's saying that here everything is fine. यह केवल माया है. So it is your illusion. बैल हमारा नहीं अभी तक मंतिक पढ़ पाए हैं. So he is telling the बैल is not yours, and it has not read any technique. So he's replying the Patku like this. So this poet is written by Ramdari Singh Dinkar. So this is the reply that Malik, the owner of the bull, is giving to the Patku. So you would have learned a few new words from this chapters. Next we'll see the question answers from this chapter. Kavita mein kahani. So Kavita is poem, kahani is story. So we'll see. पटकू की सूझ कविता में ये कहानी कही गई है. इस कहानी को तुम अपने शब्द में लिखो. So there is a story, पटकू की सूझ. You are going to you can write this story in your own words. So here I have written. So what I have written is, एक दिन पटकू समझ नहीं पाया कि कोल्हू के बैल बिना चलाए कैसे घूमता है. So is there was a educated person. So he's seeing the bull which was moving around the crusher. So अपने लाग मालिक ने बैलों को कोई तरीका सिखा रखा है. So he's thinking that the master has taught him some trick. So one day he went to the master and he asked, how do you know that the bull is roaming? So the Malik is telling, the owner is telling that there is a bell in the neck. So again this Patku is asking, what if you do? The bull does not move and it was simply standing. So the Malik replies that the bull does not read any Tark Shastra. So this was a story. So you can also write in your own words. Next, Kavi ki Kavitaye. तीसरी कक्षा में तुमने रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की कविता मिर्च का मजा पढ़ी थी. अब तुमने कही की कविता पटकू की सूझ पढ़ी. So in third standard you have learned Ramdhari Singh's Dinakar's Mirch ka Maza. So in this fourth standard you have learned Patku ki Suj. So here a question is given. We'll see what is the question given. So दोनों में से कौन सी कविता पढ़कर तुम्हें ज़्यादा मज़ा है. So which one of these two? So you got more fun. If you want, you can see the third standard book again. So you can tell your thoughts. हमें मिर्च का मज़ा कविता पढ़कर बहुत मज़ा आया. So you can write whether you felt fun when you are reading मिर्च का मज़ा or when you are reading this पटकू की सूझ. Next, तुम्हें काबुली वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा या पटकू. So या कोई भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. So do you like Kabuli wala or this educated person? So which one do you like? You can write. So next question is, अपने साथियों के साथ मिलकर एक एक कविता ढूंढो, कविताएं इकट्ठा करके कविता की एक किताब बनाओ. So he is so you can sit with your friends or colleagues or friends. So you can write or search a poem. So after writing the poem, you can collect all the poems and make a book out of it. So you start collecting the poems which was written by your friends. That is what is given here. Next, मेहनत के मुहावरे. So कोल्हू का बैल. So meaning the bull of the crusher is ऐसे व्यक्ति को कहते हैं जो कड़ी मेहनत करता है या जिससे कड़ी मेहनत करवाई जाती है. So we'll call कोल्हू का बल. A person who is working hard, we'll call this idiom कोल्हू का बैल. So here down few idioms are given. You can write the sentence for each. You can write down the meanings and then sentence for each idioms. दिन रात एक करना. So meaning is day and night. Pasina bahana. So pasina bahana is to sweat. Edi chodi ka jor lagana. So you can also write few words in this. दिन रात एक करना. उसने प्रथम आने के लिए दिन रात एक कर दिया. पसीना बहाना. उसने पसीना बहाकर पैसा कमाया. Okay, so this is what is given here. Next, पटकू का नाम पटकू क्यों पड़ा होगा. तुम कौन सा काम खूब मन से करना चाहते हो उसके आधार पर अपने लिए भी पटकू जैसा कोई शब्द सोचो. So whom do you call as Padku? A person who reads day and night, we call them as Padku or educated person. So which work do you like to do most? So you can write whether you would like to draw or play. Which one do you like? You can write. Next, अपना तरीका. हाँ जब बजती नहीं तोड़कर तनिक पूंछ डरता हूँ. So if the bell is not ringing, so he thinks he goes near the bull and he wags the tail. So पूंछ डरता हूँ का मतलब है पूंछ पकड़ लेता हूँ. So meaning is, so wagging the tail is the meaning. So here are some text given from the poem. So you are going to write in your own words. अपना तरीका is write in your own words. मगर बूंद भर तेल सांझ तक भी क्या तुम पाओगे. So in your own words, so he's saying that you will not be getting even a drop of oil. So मगर क्या शाम तक भी तुम्हें एक बूंद तेल मिल पाएंगे. So you will not be getting any drop of oil until evening. सांझ is evening, here शाम also evening. बेल तुम्हारा नहीं अभी तक मंतिक पढ़ पाया है. So हमारा बेल अभी तक तर्कशास्त्र नहीं पढ़ पाया है. So like you, it has not read any तर्कशास्त्र. सिका बैल को रखा इसने नीचे कोई टब है. So इसने बैल को कोई तरकीब सिखा रखी है. So he's thinking that the owner has taught the बैल some secret. जहाँ ना कोई बात वहाँ भी नई बात करते हैं. So if there nothing happens, he creates new things. जहाँ कोई बात नहीं होती वहाँ भी नई बात बनाने लगते थे. नेक्स्ट, गढ़ना. पटकू नई नई बातें गढ़ते थे. बताओ ये लोग kya karte the. So here a few words are given. So what does they do? So sunar is gahna. So a person sunar makes jewels. Luhar is blacksmith, he makes lohe ki cheezon. Tatera meaning as a person who makes vessels. Bartan, so vessels. Kavi makes kavita. Kumhar makes mitti ke bardan meaning is clay pot or clay vessel. Lekhak creates kahani. अर्थ खोजो नीचे दिए गए शब्द के अर्थ अक्षरमाल में खोजो. So here few words are given, so going to find the meanings of the given words here. So this word, for this words you are going to find the meanings in this tabular column. So we'll see. Tub, tarika, so this is tarika, meaning is way. Gajab, kamal, so where is Gajab, kamal, so here it is kamal. Next, chal, doka, meaning is cheat. Where is doka? Here it is doka. Mantik, bed, raj. So here it is raj. So this raj. Mantik, tark shastra. So this is tark shastra. So meaning is educated person or a logical person. So chapter 11 Patku Ki Sooj story and explanation ends here. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.